South Africa is a wasteland of addiction, with a drug consumption rate of twice the world's norm. Witbank in Mpumalanga has the highest density of heroin addicts in the country. Filmmaker Pierre Leroux investigates this and explores the truth behind ibogaine, a psychoactive substance found in the West African plant known as iboga. It was discovered in the late 1960s by the late Howard Lotzov that it could interrupt a heroin addiction painlessly in the course of 72 hours. Pierre Leroux takes on the quest and finds and rehabilitates a hardcore heroin addict using only ibogaine root bark on a life-changing experience he calls the Ibogaine Safari. Peter still had his kit on him when Pierre picks him up in the drug hell known as Witbank.
Die naweek is glad nie wat ek verwag het nie. Hulle sê dit sal alternative rehab. Ek het glad nie enigiets soos dit verwag nie. Ek het gehoor hy het gericochet daar. Check al die klip raak geskiet.
I see people as having a response to trauma and a way of trying to cope with this trauma, and it can be socially acceptable or socially unacceptable, as with drugs.
Ibogaine is not a magic bullet, so you have to be treatment ready.
If it's your child or someone's child that you know, does it really matter how they get saved?
Ja, het is te nat om...
Ek is nogals opgewonde oor vandag.
Die ibogaine doen maar wat as dit werk goed.
Kan opsit dit kan bepaal. Ja.